Maddie sells $12 t-shirts at sporting events. The t-shirt company pays her a base pay of $45 for each event, plus a 15% commission on the sales revenue from the t-shirts that she sells. How many t-shirts would she have to sell in an event to triple her base pay? Write a function representing the total pay, P, for S t-shirts sold, and a related equation for the total pay of 3 times $45, or $135. Solve the equation to determine the number of t-shirts she would have to sell. Okay, so we first need to write a function representing the total pay, P, for S t-shirts sold. And so if we want to know the total pay, P, and then for the S t-shirts sold, well, that will be our input then. So we can call it P of S. Then that's going to equal, it tells us here she has a $45 base rate. So no matter what, she'll make that $45. And then in addition to that, then it tells us she makes a 15% commission from the sales of all those t-shirts. And so 15% as a decimal is just 1500ths. And then it's going to be 15% of the revenue of the t-shirts. And so for each t-shirt, it's $12. And so it'll be 15% of 12 and then times the number that she sells, which is S. And so there's our equation, and we can simplify that a little bit by just multiplying 1500ths by 12, which gives us 1 and 80 hundredths S. And then to write the equation with 3 times $45 or $135, we want to know if she makes $135, so we put that in for her pay P of S, then how many t-shirts S does she have to sell? And so all we have to do is just solve this equation. So we can first subtract 45 on each side to get S alone. So we get 90 equals 1 and 80 hundredths S. And then to divide on each side so that we can get S alone by 1 and 80 hundredths. Then we get, well, on the left side there, that equals 50, and then equals S. And so then our answer there is that she has to sell 50 shirts to make $135, and so we can go ahead and summarize our answer. The function is P of S equals 45 plus 15 hundredths times 12S equals 45 plus 1 and 80 hundredths S. The related equation is 135 equals 45 plus 1 and 80 hundredths S. Solving this equation, you find that Maddie needs to sell 50 t-shirts.